Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML colors. So today we are discussing about HTML text color. So quickly, let's get started. Text color. You can set the color of text. For instance, hello world, you can see the color can change from this color to any other color. Like this one is having black color, you can see this one, the color is different. Like this one also, all these text here, they are colors. The color here is different, and also this one color. So quickly, let's give an example on how it works. You will write your tag, your opening and closing tag, if it requires the opening and closing tags. And from the opening tag, the first tag, you are going to have the style attribute from the HTML along with the color property from the CSS, along with the tomato, the type of color that you want to use, the HTML property. The HTML supports RGB or whatsoever, the colors property, the color names from the HTML. This one is a color name from HTML that we can use on our color property from the CSS. I want you to understand the point very well. This color property from the CSS is the one that is going to do the job of changing this hello world color. So I want you to understand this. This is a deep learning on HTML in general. So that's why I'm trying to explain deeply for whoever that have not known much about this, that we really want to get involved in it, so you can be able to identify what you are using. As far as I'm concerned, this color attribute here is part of CSS property, and also this one, the name here, is part of HTML property, because this name here is supported from as a support from HTML. That's why we are able to use it. So the same goes to this Dodger blue. HTML supports it. That's why we can use it on HTML p tag. We can use it here on the p tag, and we can use it on any other HTML tag. Again, we can also use it here on h1 tag because HTML supports it. This medium sea green, also this medium sea green color name is also supported by the HTML. That's why we are able to use it with the CSS property. The CSS color property is the one that is going to do the job. So this one now is going to change the color to medium sea green. So quickly, let me give you how it works. Let's copy this and use this so you can understand clearly. In our former video, we changed our background color to this. So let's see how our document looks, because in our former video we discussed about background color. So if you haven't watched the video, go and watch it. This is how our background color looks. So today we are talking about text color. We are going to change all this text color from black to another thing. So let's quickly remove the background color and start using color attribute. Let's just remove the color attribute. Let's remove the color attribute. No, try to do something here, but I'll remember it later. So let's remove the color attribute here. We can remove this and this. You can see we have removed the color. Now let's save it. All this red, this here, this background that is red now, it will come up to this text. The text will be the one that will be red. This one that is blue now, the background is the one that is blue, but now the text is going to be the one that is having the blue color now. This one that is having green, the text is going to be the one that is having the green now. So now let's save it and reload. Let's save it. We have saved it now, so let's reload our document. Can you see the text has changed, the background has removed. You see, so the same thing goes to this one. If we remove it, you will see what will happen now. This is very funny. Save it, you will see something. Can you see? It's not, there is nothing there, because this one is just for background. All this one, there is no, this one is not, the body tag is for background. It's an empty page background color. It's not the body tag here, the HTML body tag here is meant for empty something, like it's meant for blank page, so you can be able to put your tag. That's why, as we don't have anything, if we have anything here, wow, empty like this, it can have this color, it will inherit this color. Let's save it and see how it looks, because we wrote something there. Now you see the color is inheriting the color from the body tag. So you should understand this very well. Anything you put inside your tag is going to affect the thing that you put inside it. Like this one now, let me zoom this one closer and make it. You see this one, the p tag is the opening tag. We are having the color, this red we are having here, it's going to affect the text we are having in the middle of the opening and closing tag of the p element. You can see the end, the closing tag of the p element. So this red color here is going to affect this one, because we are using it inside the p tag. So every color you assign here is going to affect the text inside this p tag. So that's how it works. So everything that's why when we assign this one, you know, this one, when we remove this one, when we remove the wow and leave the element, you know, the elements already have their own things, and elements are different from just ordinary text. So the difference between text and elements, they are very, very different. So that's why when we remove it, when we save our document, it's not doing anything to them. You can see it will remove, because we have removed the wow. So now, as you can see, I think you are understanding the point now. So the color property, you are going to use the color property. This is how it works again. Let me show you this from the start to see how I did this, so you will be able to understand the point now. I did like this style attribute. The style attribute is from the HTML along with the color property from the CSS, along with the color that you want to use. Let's say we want to use green here. We want to have green here, green, right? This one will turn green, the rest will be in normal black color, because that is the default color. No. See, wow, this one, imagine what happens here. This one is, all this one, they have inherited the color attribute from the body tag. Yes, can you see now the color attribute here? Because this is not, this one, the p tag and this p tag is not having any color attribute. That's why these people here, they were like, hey, we have to have another color from somewhere. We can't just be like this now, because we are already having something from our mother. So that's why they inherited it from them. All these people, they are child to this body tag. So that's why anything mother did is very, very important to children. You have to be careful. So that's why these people now, they were like, we have to inherit from our mother at all impact. So that's why they generated from their mother, and this happens because this p tag is also inside the body tag. So this, without this body tag now, if we don't have this body tag there now, they may not inherit it. Maybe they can have another, but now because the body tag is having the color, that's why they inherit it. That's why as this now inherited it's having color. So the same goes to if we have another tag inside this one also, and we do something or we don't put so whatsoever you put inside something, most times they inherit. So you have to be careful. So this one now, I will remove it. Firstly, let me save it again so you can see. Let me change this color to red so you can see what happens, because they inherited from their mother. As you can see, these people now, they inherited something from their mother. As you can see, this one is self-defined, because this one no one inherit, he won't create his own thing himself, so he have many opportunities. All these people also, they have many opportunities. We can change their life also. So when we change their life, you will see their life will change now. So this one now, let me remove the color from here. Let me remove the style attribute from here. Save the document. So let me now give this one, let me change their life to maybe let me remove the color from the mother, and you will see what will happen here. You see, oh, when I don't remove the color from them, from their mother, you can see they are having red color, you can see. So let me now change their life, because what you inherit, we don't want it. So we want to change your life. So let's just say style attribute. When we put style attribute, we just put color. Let's say today your life must change. You have to have blue here. So when we put blue and we save it, when we save our document, now this one now, its life will change now. Its life will change. You see, this one life change now, because you won't say, yeah, what I inherit, I don't want it. So anything, when you are doing something, when you pray to God, it's like when you pray to God, God, please, I don't want bad luck. Oh, if family is not good, me I must shine you. All this kind of thing. That is how it happens, as you can see. So it happens in code also. So same thing goes to this one also. You want to change his life, you can just say color. Baba God, please see, we are the code God now. So we are the code small God now. So we can give it. We want you to have brown color, brown color. So let's save it and see how this one changes. Can you see it changed to brown? Baba God, I've changed his color. So that's how it goes. So I want you to understand this clearly. That's why I personally review this for you, so you can understand how all of it works. The color works very nicely, and we can assign any color that we want to any tags that we want, because HTML supports all these colors that we're using. So the colors that remember that the colors that the HTML supports are up to 140 standard color names. So I think if you don't understand how we get to this place, you can watch our other videos. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I wish to see you next time. Bye bye and have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.